Is your Microsoft.NET apps not working because of the SE's compiler module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for SC compiler module, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the SC compiler module. This library forms the backbone of the legacy Microsoft C compiler, csc.exe. It performs syntax parsing, semantic validation, and metadata preparation before generating Common Intermediate Language, CIL. Beyond developer environments, it is also used by applications that dynamically compile scripts or plugins at runtime. If unavailable, dependent tools may fail dynamic compilation routines and report errors such as compiler initialization failure or failed to load seeking language provider. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. The file util.dll library DLL is required for localized application utility manifest to properly initialize and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered SC compiler module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Installing an unverified version of util.dll library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility referenced below includes information related to SC compiler module synchronization. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for SC compiler module, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.